This got delivered today. Very strong haul, sturdy. Like, it makes the other ones look like a bit of a joke. I'd like to keep them, but I say that about everything. I'll just clean this with a super cleaner and then let it soak, and then I wiped it off. I just put rust converter on top, so rust converter is on all of it because the whole thing has a little bit of rust. Just like smooth it with a little bit of sanding paper and wipe that off. And then I'm going to paint it that blue that everybody loves.